The Attorney General had appealed two aspects of the Chief Justice's decision. One, that the law offended freedom of expression, breached Mr. Orozco's right to freedom of expression, as well as the right under Section 16 against discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation. And the Chief Justice had said he came to that conclusion by saying that sex under the Section 16 included the concept of sexual orientation. So those were the two aspects appealed by the Attorney General. The court dismissed those two appeals, those two grounds of appeals. They had affirmed, like the Chief Justice, that the law breached the freedom of expression of Mr. Orozco, and secondly, that the law breached Section 16, discrimination on the basis of sex, including this concept that sex, and they've talked about, termed it in different ways, but upholding the decision of the Chief Justice that Section 16 and discrimination on the basis of sex was, in fact, infringed.
The government really made an appeal that was very limited in scope. If you recall, Mr. Hawk in court drew the attention of the court that the appeal from the government was not against the decision that Section 53 of the Criminal Code violated the Constitution. They had problems with two limbs. One, freedom of expression, which is the Section 12 of the Constitution, and Section 16, in which the Chief Justice said that the definition of sex as a basis for not discriminating against persons, that definition included sexual orientation. What the Court of Appeal has now done is to reaffirm the Chief Justice's decision regarding freedom of expression, Section 12, and have said that if you are not able to legally express your identity, your sexual identity, if you are not able to have sexual intercourse with a consenting adult of your choice in privacy and all of that, then you are being hindered in your freedom of expression, and that should not be allowed to be so. So they've also said that in their minds, the definition of sex does include sexual orientation,